Energy House Labs is a collection of labs. I'm sitting in at Energy House 2, our newest lab at the moment. And really we're about everything to do with energy and the home. So that's right the way from insulation, heating systems, controls, right down to energy efficiency advice. Housing has a huge impact in terms of net zero. It contributes about 19% of all emissions for the UK. But also we're interested in fuel poverty. So 11% of people in England and 34% of people in Scotland are in fuel poverty. So when we first started with Energy House 1, retrofit was really what we're about, which is why we built a Victorian end terrace, a real hard to treat property that reflected maybe over 20% of the UK housing stock at the time. And in that 10-year period, we really learned about insulation, about whole house retrofit, about systems, about smart controls, and also simple energy efficiency advice. More recently, we've been working with Barratt and Bellway and Saint-Gobain to explore future homes. How are we going to deliver the houses that have to hit net zero, that have to be energy efficient and have to be part of the energy transition?
The kind of research that we're doing here, as you see, we're sat in a very large environmental chamber. So we can adjust the weather basically. So we can go down to minus 20 degrees up to plus 40 degrees with wind, rain, snow and solar radiation on these buildings. So the aim of this current piece of research is to take these buildings sat behind me here through their paces in terms of the climate that we live in now and how efficient are they. But if we look forward 50 years in advance and the climate changes, how well will these houses work then? And how comfortable will they be to live in at that moment as well?
In the 15 years we've been operating, we've worked with hundreds of businesses, ranging from startups with brand new ideas to big multinational corporations. And I think one of the benefits of Energy House is we're a physical space. So it's a kind of collision environment where controls manufacturers can talk to heating systems manufacturers, can talk to developers, can talk to startups, can talk to major companies. And I think it's not just the business aspect of what we do. We also do work with charity, third sector. So in the first year of our opening, 7,000 people came through the doors of Energy House 2. And that ranged from senior politicians right the way down to school children. Energy in our homes is really important. And I think it's really important that we're all part of the conversation. And I think that's what makes Energy House 2 special.
One of the common misconceptions about working with academics is that we claim to know all the answers. I'm sat in front of two big questions here, and the big two questions here are how will these houses perform and what will they do in the future? But these aren't questions that we set. These are questions that were set by industry. They came to us, built the houses and said, how are these things going to behave? I'm a big fan of letting industry ask the questions and then we can help them answer it.
We're greatly honoured as a team to have been awarded the Queen Elizabeth Prize. I think it's a testament to the hard work of the team, right the way from the directors and the lab heads to the PhD students and the admin team that support us. I think it's also a testament to the partners. A lot of what we do is in collaboration and people bring us ideas and we work together on them. And also, I think we need to thank the wider university as well. So people like estates and IT who supported us in building our facilities, they're all really important part of the story as well. So just to say, I think I'm really excited on behalf of the team and really looking forward to collecting our prize.